NASM Live Workshops will help you expand your knowledge, enhance your training skills, and meet other like-minded fitness professionals in a fun and interactive experience. Our Master Instructors are seasoned industry experts and passionate about fitness. They are excellent at delivering the optimum performance training model and bringing NASM's learning resources to life. You'll practice assessments, self-myofascial release, along with flexibility, core, balance, and reactive training techniques. You'll deliver program design skills based on your client's goals, assessments, and abilities, all while asking questions and learning from peers and premier industry experts. Whether you're new to training or a seasoned professional, NASM Live Workshops are a perfect way to put all the pieces together, great refresher, and opportunity to pick up new skills. For more information and to find a workshop near you, please visit nasm.org or call 1-800-460-6276, and one of our education advisors will be happy to discuss our live events. We look forward to seeing you at an NASM Live Workshop.